children, and welcome to another maths lesson. How have you been getting on using your base 10 and pictorials to subtract those 3 and 4 digit numbers? Today we're going to move on to the abstract method for column subtraction. I'm going to show you how to do it now, but remember, if you find anything tricky or if you need to check something, always go back to using the concrete method or your pictorials. Watch now. Let's start off with 793 subtract 241. I'm going to pop my minuend in the chart, just like we've done when we use concrete apparatus and pictorials. I now need to show myself what operation I'm doing. When we did column addition, we popped the add sign. We now need to pop the subtraction sign. I now need to pop the subtrahend underneath my minuend so I know what I'm subtracting. I'm subtracting 241. We're now ready to calculate, so we pop in our 2 calculation lines. Let's start subtracting. Which digits do you think we need to start with first? That's right, it's always the ones. We've got to do 3 subtract 1. 3 subtract 1 is 2. So we pop it still in the ones column underneath. Moving on to our tens. 9 tens subtract 4 tens. That's 5 tens. And finally our hundreds. 700 subtract 200, that's 500. So our difference is 552. Our second calculation involves 4-digit numbers. So let me pop the minuend in the columns first. 3,856, and I'm subtracting 1,215. I bet you're getting very good now at remembering we always have to start with the ones. 6 subtract 5, that's a difference of 1. 5 tens subtract 1 10, that will give me 4 tens. 800 subtract 200, that's 600. 3,000 subtract 1,000, that's 2,000. Our difference is 2,641. Let's move on to the next one. 6,384 subtract 251. Watch what I do. Now, because we're only subtracting a 3-digit number, we need to make sure we put the number in the correct columns. That's 200, so I need to pop it in the hundreds column, and then 51. That's really important because if I had put the 2 in this column, it would mean I'm subtracting 2,000. Now time for our calculation line. And let's start. 4 subtract 1. That's 3. 80 subtract 50. That's 30. 3 tens. 300 subtract 200. That's 100. 6,000. I'm not subtracting anything. So that will still be 6,000. So our difference is 6,133. Let's do one last one together. 7,596 subtract 4,103. So I pop my minuend in first. we're subtracting, and it's really important I put that 0 in as a place value holder. Okay, let's start with our ones. 6 subtract 3, that's 3. 9 subtract 0 is 9. 500 subtract 100 is 400. And 7,000 subtract 4,000, that's 3,000. Our difference now is 3,493. Now it's your turn to have a try. Work hard. Bye-bye.